All right, so we're back. We're all about buy local, made local this morning. We have a host of local artisans passing through this morning. The very first one in the house this morning is all about beauty products, a line of beauty products. So it's supposed to be in glam mode still almost. I have a crazy chemist by the name of Kathryn Nurse with me this morning. Kathryn, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Are you a crazy chemist or am I?
Not so crazy.
Not crazy?
Not so crazy. There's crazier chemists.
Because I would think so, yeah. Because when you hear chemist, you think of someone with a
Breaking Bad? No?
I saw Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad is that's a crazy chemist. That's a crazy chemist. But you think of someone not well dressed like yourself, with a big trench coat and not doing beauty products.
Yes.
So that's why I said you have to be a crazy chemist. How did you come up with doing beauty products?
Well, I studied sciences in school. I was always very good at science.
So was I.
So much in common.
So was I.
I was always really good at science, but I just thought that most of the scientific careers I was aware of weren't glam, to use the word you just used. They weren't glamorous enough.
I felt the same way. I did feel the same way. Yeah, it was going on the engineering road. It really was.
Wasn't exciting enough, wasn't,
Let's go.
sparkly.
Yeah. No. So let's hear where you went from there.
I tried to figure out, and I wasn't going to throw away the science foundation that I had. So I tried to figure out what was the way that I could bring my interest in glamorous beauty items together with my science. And I realized that I could learn how to formulate the cosmetics myself.
Wow. Wow. But did you always have a love for, I suppose, beauty products?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you always have that love.
Absolutely. People even tell me now, they're like, why do you have so many other people's products? You make your own. And I'm like, no, it's because I love products so much.
Right.
So, yes.
So I mean, background chemistry, are you still a professional chemist?
I am. I'm a formulation chemist. However, I just work for myself now. And so now, as well as being a chemist, I'm also, a business owner and an entrepreneur and all these other things that go along with it.
Right. So you have your own lab.
I have my own lab. In my house.
Your own
lab.
Testing lab. And
yep.
Wow.
Yep. Heating things up, dripping things.
Let's talk about the products. This love for chemistry will go on and on. Let's talk about the product.
Yes.
You use your knowledge of chemistry to create this line called Immortelle Beauty.
Yes.
Tell me about Immortelle Beauty.
So Immortelle Beauty is formulated to be for Caribbean women. So I make an extreme effort to put products and ingredients in the items that we can recognize and that we know from our homes. So we have lots of great natural ingredients like avocado oil, mango butter, and it's a really great moisturizing line. We have 3 major collections within Immortelle Beauty. The first is our foot rehab line, which is designed for, Caribbean superwomen. We're always on our feet, on the go, and we get tired very easily. And so this is a lovely at-home method to relax and invigorate your tired feet. And it's a 3-step system, and it's sold as a gift set as well, which is what we have here.
Right.
And then we have the Essentials line, which is a line of bath and body products, which is like the major line that we sell. And it is 6 different fragrances, and for each fragrance we have 3 products. We have a lotion, a shower gel, and a spray oil.
Right, so this is the major line, as you said.
This is the major line.
Right.
This is one of our fragrances here. This is Tea and Thyme, and it's very green and herbal and fresh.
Right. So you've created your own fragrances as well, like almost a local Caribbean fragrance.
The fragrances are selected to be local and Caribbean and to have something that we can, be attracted to and relate to. Yes.
And in your lab, you would have come up with those fragrances.
The fragrances? No, I do not come up with the fragrances. No. That's a whole other arm of chemistry. Very, very specific chemistry.
You didn't go down that road.
No, it's very, very specific chemistry.
Okay, cool. So from there, I'm also seeing this is like perfume stuff, huh?
Exactly. So the third collection from Immortelle, it's a home fragrance line.
Okay.
So we only have 1 fragrance right now, but for Christmas this year, I plan to be expanding that. And we have in this collection both candles and diffusers. So all for the home.
Also, it's the diffuser, right? And I was thinking, okay, so it's diffusers. You can just leave this and it was
exactly. So you go, you come back, and as soon as you reach home, the house is already fragrant and smelling great. You don't have to actually actively light the candle.
So I mean, just before you go, this is the same line as we have here.
Yes.
Yeah. So a lot of these products, they are foreign products that will compete with this.
Yes.
You have basically brought out your own line of local products
Exactly.
that are on par.
On the same level, I trained in the States to formulate, and so the exact same materials and ingredients that they'd be using to be getting those sophisticated feels.
Yeah.
I have access to all of those, but my formulations also have extra things to make it more Caribbean and Trinidadian as
Give me
well.
one thing. I mean, because we have to preach and almost sell buy local, made local.
Of course.
As opposed to one of the foreign brands, and there are so many that will have a bath gel and a spray. What would be that major difference, you think, with Immortelle Beauty?
First of all, texture. So you want everything to be moisturizing, but still light, so that people don't feel heavy and oily as their day goes on.
Right.
So that is in the formulation. They're formulated to be very light for daily use. But then also there's a lot of ingredients that we recognize, things from our own backyards, mango butter, avocado oil, things that we can relate to extremely easily.
And you would have done the research on that, Kathryn, in terms of knowing, okay, so mango butter could work well in a bath gel or in a spray.
But it doesn't work well in a bath gel.
No, it was.
But yes, in a lotion or an oil,
On oil,
yes, for
right,
sure.
right. Yeah. You would have done that research.
Exactly. So that's how I know it doesn't work well
Take me
in a
through one
bath
of
gel.
your days in the lab.
So the lab is in the house. So when I wake up.
You wake up and you head straight in.
I head straight to the lab. Much of the formulation that I do in the lab is new formulation, because I have a local manufacturer that once the formula is complete, I can take the formula to them and they manufacture it for me there in Laventille, and they're amazing. And so everything is done here. So the formula is developed here in the lab, and then it's manufactured as well in Trinidad.
Wow.
But then the home fragrance products, everything is poured by hand. So everything is blended and poured by hand. So it's me and these candles pouring. And that's pretty much what happens. in the
So it
lab.
is a little labor intensive as well.
It is.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
The packaging is also done by
Local
your
designer.
Yeah,
local
because it's not your
designer.
crazy chemist brain that came
No,
up
no,
with this.
no. I know my limits.
You know your strengths.
So yes, I have a wonderful local designer who
Right.
comes up with all the packaging for me.
Wow.
And the labels are actually printed regionally in Barbados, but I'm trying to keep it local. called Caribbean.
Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's available Immortelle Beauty online if you want.
Yes, Immortelle TT online.
Immortelle TT online.
ImmortelleTT.com.
.com. So it's a full website.
Full website.
Full website.
Online store, everything.
That you can
Complete.
click and order.
Yes. Delivery.
Congratulations. Crazy Chemist, Kathryn Nurse is her
Thank
name.
you.
Dropping by this morning, showcasing her line of products. And it's all about a beauty line that this girl went into her lab and decided that she's not going to mix anything else but beauty products because she loves beauty. You didn't go to do chemistry anywhere else.
No, this was the original
I
idea.
ran from chemistry and biology. I was good at it and then I just ran from it. So I totally understand.
To figure out how to make it work for you.
I couldn't. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Buy local, made local here. The first one dropping by this morning. Kathryn, thank you very much. We're coming right back. Much more. We're in buy local, made local mode this morning. Come on back. Looking for the